Tiramisu is one of my all-time favourite desserts, and this is how you make it. We're going to begin by making the coffee. Now I'm using a mocha pot to make mine. We need about 300 ml of espresso. You can use an espresso machine, or of course you can use instant. Just mix a couple of teaspoons of instant with some boiling water and then just leave it to cool. Once the coffee is made, I'm going to add in 90 ml of coffee liqueur and then set it to one side to cool. Next, take 4 eggs and then separate the yolks from the whites. Place the whites into a mixing bowl and then we're going to whisk them until they're nice and fluffy, to the point where they are stiff peaks and you can hold them above your head without them falling out of the bowl. Now in a separate bowl, place the 4 egg yolks and then add in 100 grams of caster sugar and beat them until they're light and fluffy. This will take roughly around 3 to 4 minutes. Place 500 grams of mascarpone cheese into a bowl and then just soften it using a spoon, and that'll make it mix into the egg yolk mixture a little bit easier. Once the egg yolks are ready, then mix in the mascarpone and then we'll mix that with a beater attachment for 3 to 4 minutes. Now we need to fold in those beaten egg whites. Gently fold it until it's fully incorporated and you've got a nice smooth mixture. Next we're going to start assembling. So what we need to do is dip the lady fingers into the coffee mixture. And you've got to be really careful here. Only dip them for 1 to 2 seconds. If you dip it any longer, they'll just go too soggy and absorb too much coffee. So dip in the lady fingers and then lay them onto your chosen dish. Next, generously spoon over some of your creamy mascarpone mixture and spread it out over the lady fingers. And then layer up one more time with the lady fingers and then the rest of the mascarpone. Next, we're going to dust the top with cocoa powder, and then using a fine grater, I'm going to grate over some dark chocolate. Place your tiramisu in the fridge to set for 1 to 2 hours before serving. So that's how I make my tiramisu. I hope you're going to enjoy it as much as I'm going to enjoy eating this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.